Low-level love integration is not integration at all. The placenta teaches us foreign crime is rooted in low-level love integration. La premier italiana, Giorgia Meloni, ha definito disumana l'amministrazione svizzera.